Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylan. Today we're gonna learn vocabulary about Christmas. I asked you on my Instagram if I should choose the reindeer one or the Santa, and you choose the Santa. It was tight, but Santa won, so Santa it is. So today we're gonna learn vocabulary about Christmas, sentences, and vocabulary. It distracts me so much. I can see them just, moving, and it distracts me so much. I'm also really far of the camera because I should choose a simple Christmas hat. Why didn't I choose that? I chose that giant thing, which is cute, but I have to be so far from the camera. Well, I'll do my best. First word we're learning today is Christmas. Noël. Noël. So this one is a particular one because they are the tréma, the two little dots on the E, which means we have to pronounce the E as well. And in this case we pronounce the E, well it's another story, but so Noël. If you're not sure about accents, alphabet and stuff, I will put the video down below. Oh, I actually forgot to say that all the video I'm gonna talk about in this video are going to be in the description box, and you can get the PDF for this lesson on my website, theperfectfrench.com. It's free, you just need to go and grab it. Numéro 2, le Père Noël. Le Père Noël. Because we don't say Santa, we say Father Christmas. Père Noël, le Père Noël. And what would be Father Christmas without Mother Christmas? La Mère Noël. La Mère Noël. They live together in the North Pole. Le pôle Nord. Le pôle Nord. So because there's an accent circumflex on the O, we pronounce it longer. Le pôle Nord. Next one, un renne. Un renne. And we have un traîneau. Un traîneau. The bag where Santa carries all the gifts is called une hotte. Une hotte. Regarding his clothes, we have un bonnet. Un bonnet. Des lunettes. Des lunettes, une barbe, le manteau, le pantalon, et les bottes, And then this is not really common for Christmas, but un serre-tête. Un serre-tête. I have to do it because I'm wearing one right now, so I have to give it. Un serre-tête. So it's a headband in English. If you translate the French one, it will be serré. It's like holding a press. It's a press head because it technically also press your head. This one is really uncomfortable actually. Un serre-tête. Now let's go to the Christmas tree. Un sapin. Sapin. Or you can also say un sapin de Noël. Un sapin de Noël. Basically, everything related to Christmas, you can just take the normal name and add de Noël. De Noël. And then it's good. We're gonna see that. You're gonna see that a lot in this video, de Noël, de Noël. It's because that's how we do it. We actually call the tree that we use for Christmas, it's un sapin. 11 months of the year, it's un sapin. And then in December, it turns into a Christmas tree, un sapin de Noël. And then you can choose to have either un sapin naturel from nature, or un sapin artificiel. Décorer le sapin. Décorer le sapin. Then you can put on it either une guirlande, or une guirlande lumineuse. lumineuse. On the top of the tree, you can either add une étoile ou un ange. Un ange. We have also on decoration une boule de Noël, une boule de Noël, une cloche de Noël. The general term is une décoration. Une décoration. So it just regroup everything. Guirlande, ange, étoile, etc., etc. Une décoration. Somewhere in the house you can also hang une couronne. Une couronne. Then we have la cheminée, where you hang the stockings. Une chaussette, so we just say a sock. Une chaussette de Noël, if you want to. Depending on the tradition around Christmas in your family, in your culture, you can also light some candles before Christmas. We have that thing in a couronne, and we have 4 candles, and you light one every Sunday. You start 4 Sundays before Christmas. Une bougie. Du ou, so we don't pronounce the H, neither the X. Du ou. Then we have un lutin, because you know, Santa cannot do everything on his own. Un lutin, un chant de Noël, or une chanson de Noël. Une chanson de Noël. De Noël. So, de Noël. I'm so distracted with those things. Alright, next one, le repas de Noël. Le repas de Noël. You start usually with l'apéritif. Then you have un amuse-bouche. Un amuse-bouche. Then we have l'entrée. After that, le plat principal. Le dessert, which usually is une bûche. De Noël, if you want to add de Noël. For the drink, we have le champagne, le vin rouge, vin blanc, le vin. Then we have le digestif. And finally, le café. Regarding the season and the cold, usually, because it's not cold everywhere for Christmas, I spent 2 warm Christmas in my life. It was pretty cool, but I have a preference for cold Christmas. I don't know, it's just how I grew up. So we have le froid, the cold. If you're really, really lucky, la neige. If you wake up on Christmas Day and there is snow outside, we call it un Noël blanc. Un Noël blanc, which is a white Christmas, simply. And then if you have snow and a white Christmas, you can make un bonhomme de neige. Un bonhomme de neige. Une carte de Noël, une carte de vœux. Depends which one you want, actually, it doesn't change anything. Une carte de Noël, une carte de vœux. So, envoyer une carte de vœux. Envoyer une carte de vœux. Ou recevoir une carte de vœux. Recevoir une carte de vœux. Now let's move to the gifts. Un cadeau de Noël. Un cadeau de Noël. Un emballage cadeau. Un emballage cadeau. On top of it, un nœud ou un ruban. Un nœud ou un ruban. And if we go through the life of the gift, we say acheter un cadeau, acheter un cadeau, emballer un cadeau, emballer un cadeau, offrir un cadeau, that was my knee, offrir un cadeau, recevoir un cadeau, it's always like offrir ou envoyer and then recevoir, right, there are always two hands, recevoir un cadeau et ouvrir le cadeau, ouvrir le cadeau. Around Christmas you can also visit un marché de Noël, un marché de Noël, a Christmas market, that's it. And you can try there, maybe not, sometimes depends, sometimes there is some, sometimes there is not. Un vin chaud, un vin chaud. It's mostly red, but I prefer white. So on the 24th, the evening is called le réveillon de Noël. Le réveillon de Noël. And then the 25th is actually called Noël. Noël. So, le réveillon de Noël and then Noël. If you want to wish a Merry Christmas to someone, you say Joyeux Noël. Joyeux Noël. The sentence, if you actually do it, the act is called Souhaiter un joyeux Noël. Je te souhaite un joyeux Noël. Je te souhaite un joyeux Noël. We can also call the holidays les fêtes de fin d'année. Les fêtes de fin d'année. So the celebration of the end of the year. I hope I didn't forget any words or any sentences. If I did, share it in the comments with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment if you have any question about anything. I will do my best to answer. You can connect with me on my Instagram, my Facebook page, my YouTube channel. I answer all the comments I got in every social media, and I will see you soon for another lesson. Jeez, that thing, just... Can you stay still?